Hello, so this week what we're going to do is we are just going to start off the entire class with all the foundational stuff of everything that we're going to be doing over the next, 14 weeks of the class. And so we're going to be discussing concepts of stress. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we are going to have a video on a guide to problem solving. This is a good video because if you really want to get partial credit in the class, this is how you're going to do it. Because it's going to tell you what I am looking for when I am looking at your problems, trying to figure out whether or not you know what's going on. Especially in an engineering class, partial credit is important because a lot of the times we're making you take a test in a very short amount of time, and I want to make sure that any issues that you have are not understanding the material, but just time pressure and making mistakes. So after that, we are going to review our mechanics. Mechanics is critically important for this class. This class is just a complete follow-on to mechanics, and so if you really should be comfortable with mechanics going through. And then finally, what we're going to do is we're going to introduce the concepts of normal stress and shear stress, which form the foundation of the class.